This drawing project is a good introduction to drawing 3D letters, as it just asks you to concentrate on one simple word. If you draw L-O-V-E as block letters, add sides to them, and then color with shadows, you end up with a really pretty work of art that might also make a nice card for someone. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. All you need to make this project is a sheet of drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and some crayons. There is also a link to a step-by-step tutorial that you can find in the description below. This drawing does need to start with a square, so I'm going to draw one here. You could also just start with a sheet of paper that's square and then skip this step. Now we need to add center lines to make 4 equal boxes. You could just eyeball it, as it doesn't need to be perfect, or you could fold your paper in half too and then trace the creases that you get. Okay, the first letter in the top left corner is the letter L. Draw a block one like this, leaving a little room around for the sides we're going to add next. The sides begin with these angled lines. The L has 5 of them, and they are all the same size and all pointing in the same direction. That letter L can be finished now by connecting those ends with straight lines like this. The next letter is the letter O that goes in the top right corner. Draw the outside nice and round, and then add the inside circle. The sides of the letter O have just 2 angled lines like this. When those angled lines are done, then connect them with a nice round curve like this. The letter V comes next in the bottom left corner. Draw a large block letter that almost fills the box, but has a little room around it still for the sides. Then draw the angled side lines, all the same length and going in the same direction. Then connect the ends of those lines with straight lines. Finally, draw a block letter E in that bottom right corner. Make it sit a little lower in the box to make sure there's room for the top and the sides. This letter also needs some angled side lines. There's quite a few of them. They're all angling to the right from each of those corners on the letter. Then finally connect all those ends with straight lines too. You do need to jump around a little bit, so watch my example if anything gets confusing. Oh, I also realized that I missed this little inside shape for the O. It needs a kind of like skinny moon shape inside. All right, now to make this drawing show up really well, I'm going to trace my grid lines with a black marker. The same goes for those black letters. You know, the black lines will actually help us color it better too. Before any color goes down, it's a good time to erase any pencil lines that might still be showing. Now for the coloring. We can bring out those crayons and choose a color for each letter, filling it in with a kind of medium pressure. I'm going to start with green for this L. When the letter's all filled in, come back and color in the sides, pressing extra hard to make a darker shade of that color. I'm going to fill in this O, starting with a medium shade of red. And then come back and fill in those sides, pressing harder to make a darker red. I'm going to fill in my V with blue, but please feel free to use whatever colors you want. Then I'm going back and pressing harder on those side shapes to make them darker. My letter E is going to be purple, with the dark sides added to it too. All that's needed now is a contrasting color for the background squares. I'm going to finish this L box with orange. The O background is going to be a dark blue. The background V is going to be red. And the back of the E box, bright yellow. And here is my finished drawing of 3D block love letters. You know, once you learn the formula that goes into making these, You'll be able to make pretty letters for all kinds of things like book reports and posters and more. If you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more lettering projects, including how to draw block letters and how to draw bubble letters. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I'm so happy you joined me today, and if you are watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get a notification as soon as I put up a new video.